Here's our ultimate carrot banana bread recipe. The ingredients needed are 2 cups whole wheat flour, 1/3 cup organic brown sugar or maple syrup, 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan sea salt, 1/2 cup unsweetened plant milk, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1/4 cup coconut oil, melted, some for greasing, 3 medium-sized bananas, mashed, 3 medium-sized carrots, grated, 3/4 cups nuts, raw, chopped any kind, optional. Cooking instructions. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Prepare dry and wet ingredients in 2 separate bowls. Give each a good stir to distribute flavors and components evenly. Add the wet mixture to the dry and mix until well combined. Pour into the prepared pan and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. Enjoy!